Oh my God. Oh jeez.
There goes our yellow
There they
llama.
go. Goodbye.
And they'll come back down around here.
Oh, that is just so fun. Oh my goodness.